Today I'm taking a look at the Goldblatt glass scraper set. So we got our large scraper blade handle. We can see we got a push button right here that is going to release it. So that essentially opens up that jaw so you can put in a new blade. In the back we do have a hole so you can hang the thing up, and it also has some storage. We got this little sleeve and it comes with a bunch of blades. Now interestingly, we also have this pack of blades. So we had 5 blades in the handle. It looks like we got another 5 blades right here. So we have got a bunch of blades for this guy. You can see there are 2 holes in there, and that is going to line up with the tabs on the handle. You can kind of feel it locks in and then just squeeze. So that is ready to go. It also comes with another knife. This is actually surprisingly nice. So we actually have a rubber grip on here. It is a push slide, and it looks like that is riveted together. And here we have got an assortment of blades. So we have some plastic blades. So if you're going to be scraping against something soft and you want to make sure that you don't damage it, you can just use one of these plastic blades. Still going to be able to get junk off, but it's going to be less likely to damage your equipment. Then if you need something a little stouter, we got full-on razors. So it looks like it comes with 6 of those. So for this, it actually has instructions. It just says to insert from the side. So we got an opening right there. And just push that in from the side. Now this one does retract, so you can keep that blade in there. You don't have to worry about cutting anything. The larger one does not have that, but we do have this little cover. So we can just slide that guy on, and that will give us some protection. So I've got a piece of glass right here, and we've got a lot of junk on there. It's one of those things that you don't really see unless I focus on it. And that scrapes right off. Beautiful. Very nice having something like this. I've used something like this for, there's actually something more like this for cleaning off the windshield of my vehicle, because we had a sprinkler running. It was spraying on the windshield, ended up leaving all that calcium or minerals or whatever it was on there. So razor blade was really the only way to get that off. If I had something like this, that would have made that job a lot quicker. Very nice. You can see everything that was picking up. So overall, that is a very nice scraper set.